So ARA is a constellation that represents the altar where Zeus and the other gods came together and vowed to take down the Titans. They vowed to take down the old guard. That's really what blockchain technology is doing. Blockchain technology is an incredible new paradigm. It completely decentralizes the power structures that are in place today, who owns the data, how it moves around the world, how efficient that system is. It's a natural evolution of technology that is meant to go around the inefficiencies that have been building up in the system over the last few decades.
Blockchain is a huge game changer for content creators. One, it's decentralized. You have transparency with your content, where you see your content, viewership. You're not at the mercy of a lot of these platforms who can change the algorithm and then everything in your world changes. I've seen so many examples of some of my friends on Instagram or on YouTube. They have millions of followers, and then one day the platform changes the algorithm so that it can incentivize more ads and all that. And my friends, their businesses are at a disarray. You think about all the time and money that they invested in building their followers and their engagement on a single platform, and this platform, they're not trying to protect the creators, they're more so protecting themselves. See, a lot of these platforms, they're free, but they're free because you're the product. And now I feel like people, especially creators like myself, we don't want to be a product anymore.
As an ARA user, one of your biggest roles in the network is to help deliver content to your fellow consumers. So one core philosophy of ARA is that we wanted to give power and control over data back to users. One way we figured how to do that was with what we're calling ARA ID. That is a decentralized identity that users can bring with them across the platform.
And what that means is essentially right now users have to have a login for YouTube and Facebook and Twitter. With ARA, you can take one username and bring it anywhere that implements ARA.
We are concerned about data protection, and this is a problem that blockchain technology can solve. For example, if you were able to put all of your personal information onto the blockchain and then be able to grant companies access to your information, that would enable you to track what they're doing with your information, and then also enable you to revoke access at any time. This will allow consumers to take back control over their personal data.
Similar to how cars and planes and the internet all brought about new efficiencies. An example of that is the sharing economy, the Airbnbs and Ubers of the world. What they really did was take a massive amount of unused capacity and make that available to people who needed it. And it also brought interesting competition into the market and started to spread out how people could move around, where they could stay, how much things cost. It brought an entire new way of thinking to the world, and now you can share workspaces, share your car, share your house. The next obvious evolution of that is share your compute resources, share your storage, share your bandwidth. Decentralized computing has been around for some time, but it hasn't been tapped appropriately. By leveraging blockchain, we can unlock hundreds of billions of dollars of value that is just sitting there idle.